Should you buy LUOKUNG Technology Corp stock? LUOKUNG closed the session of the 24th of March 2021 at $1.35. And I think right now in the pre-market session, 24,400 shares have crossed the tape. And it has a market cap of $429.1 million. 317.847 million shares outstanding. 4% of the shares outstanding are held by institutions. And we did a brief check, and its short interest stands at 0.03%. It has decreased by 97%. You would expect that a company like LUOKUNG that is politically challenged. By that I mean it's a company associated with the Chinese military and listed on a US exchange. You expect that the fact that a lot of things are going on, that there will be a healthy amount of skepticism in the form of short interests, but there isn't any at the moment. There could be the reason could be for anything, one could be that maybe since there's an issue of delisting and all that stuff going on, it was the trading on it was halted at some point, or was one of those things. Maybe that risk may have put everybody off, including short sellers. But in any case, moving on, we can see that its momentum is definitely tipping over, not looking bad, not looking bullish at all. And we have to point out first of all that we did not find any fresh news as such. It's all the same old news that is still going on. It says LUOKUNG acquires MapGo Technologies, a provider of navigation and electronic map services in China. Terms not disclosed yet, so that's about the latest at the moment. So it says LUOKUNG appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. We don't seem to. We can see, yes, the MACD is above zero, yes, but MACD histogram is above zero. We can't exactly see that it's bullish here, unless it has. No, we can't exactly see that. But even though that's a daily chart, we'll have a look at the. Sorry, we'll have a look at the 1-day chart, just the chart of the last trading session. And momentum, as we indicated, is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see that. It says this: buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so moving up, we can see that this is what's going on in the very near term. You can see, I think, let's find out the figures. You can see it's currently trading at, it closed that session at $1.34, okay, or roughly $1.35, and then the 50-day moving average is at 1.21, 10 days at 1.45, 20 day is at 1.39. So in the short term, it's trading at a discount to all of its short-term trend lines based on the daily chart. So in a very short time, yes, it can be construed as a buying opportunity. And moving on, let's have a look and see what the 1-day chart is saying. That is what all that happened on the 24th of March. So we can also see that in this 1-day chart, it's clearly the price, the stock itself is very bearish at the moment. You can see it's trading at a huge discount to all of those trend lines. You can see down here, that's where it is, down somewhere here, and then the trend lines are up there, but all of them are equally bearish at the moment as well. So in that very short time as well, based on that 1-day chart, it did indeed present a buying opportunity technically. Then we can also see even the momentum is also very, it's indicating that it's oversold, in the oversold territory. Currently at it says that it's at 33.32. okay, not in the oversold territory, but yes, it's very bearish, and then the MACD is also reflecting that as well. It will definitely do so. So in the short term, yes, if you're not concerned about the risks and all that stuff, there's a May 8th date with the Nasdaq and all that stuff. So if you're not concerned, if you're not if you don't think that if that risk it's not a concern to you, yes, by all means jump in the very short term. LUOKUNG is definitely a buy. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share if you're already a subscriber. Thank you very much for watching this video.